Hello folks, this is Aditya from inspiredwise.com and today we are going to talk about the Mi 10 5G. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for the same. Inside the box for the Mi 10 5G, the first thing that you get is the SIM tray ejector tool for this one. Apart from that, you get the 3.5mm to USB-C adapter for this smartphone. And on the inside you get the documentation warranty card along with the TPU cover, which is of a very good quality. Inside you get the smartphone and you also get the 30-watt fast charger for the smartphone bundled inside the box along with the USB-C cable, and this smartphone would be available in twilight grey and coral green colors in India. If you talk about the overall build and design, the back has a very glossy finish. The overall camera setup looked pretty great. On the right hand side you get the power button and the volume rocker, and it's around 8.96mm thick. At the top there's the speaker grill along with the noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom there's the USB-C port. No 3.5mm jack, but the stereo speaker setup on this one is pretty good. It weighs around 208 grams and is pretty bulky. It has a 6.67-inch curved AMOLED H2H display with Corning glass 5 protection on the front as well as the back, 180Hz touch sampling rate and 90Hz refresh rate. The display is pretty good considering everything, and there is a hole punch notch at the top left on the display for the 20-megapixel selfie camera. It also has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is good but not really the best in class. And overall this smartphone does feel pretty heavy. It comes with a Snapdragon 865 chipset, 8GB of RAM, 256 or 128GB of fast UFS 3.0 storage, and it has a 4780 mAh battery, which is pretty huge and makes the smartphone really heavy. And there's also a Mi 30-watt wireless charger which you can pre-order for a special price. It supports 10-watt reverse wireless charging as well, and it comes with a 108-megapixel primary sensor which supports up to 8K video recording. There's also a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens along with a 2-megapixel macro and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. It supports a lot of pro modes, and it also comes with log video shooting. The camera setup on this one is something which requires a lot of testing before we jump on to any conclusions, but the 108MP sensor is definitely good. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 support, 5G enabled smartphone. The pricing for the smartphone in India would be 49,999 for the 8GB 128GB version, and at such a price it competes against the likes of OnePlus 8 etc. And what's good for the smartphone is the overall build and performance, but still there are a lot of people who would definitely choose some other smartphones over this considering the price. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, to subscribe to Inspired Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, stay safe during these challenging times, and no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.